All right, it's Christmas time. So what does that mean to me? Spiked eggnog time. So this is about the only time of year that I ever drink eggnog and try to keep it to a minimum. But today I wanted to do a spiced eggnog recipe. I looked online and I found several different ones. They recommended different kind of bourbons or rums, and that's not what I had. So I'm gonna make my own. So I thought I'd make a video when I did it. So got me some ground cinnamon, got me some 2-bitch bourbon whiskey, some rum chata, and some Southern Comfort eggnog, which is by far the best that I've ever found. So let me just go ahead and mix it up. I'm gonna do a shot of each. Got 2-bitch, bourbon. Let's do a shot. Whoa, careful. Woo! All right, hopefully there's enough room left for the eggnog. If not, it's just gonna be bourbon shot eggnog. Let's open up the rum. You're probably gonna laugh at me and say, no. All the recipes said either rum or bourbon, not both, but this is what is gonna happen. So we'll see how it turns out, right? It's a shot of rum chata. Shake up this eggnog. Brand new, just opened it. Ooh, there we go. Then, proper way to stir is to go from the bottom up 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Perfectly stirred. 4. There we go. Shake it up, baby. Shake it up, baby. All right. Then I'm gonna put a little dash of ground cinnamon. A little bit more than a dash, but that'll work. And there we have it. So now I'm gonna give it a little sip and see what I think. Pretty good. All right, that was a gag. There you go, try your, oh, actually that's really good. I like that. Try your own at home. Let me know what you think.